Dear participants, welcome to the subject Language Curriculum Design and Evaluation. It's a pleasure for me to guide you during this process of study. Being an effective teacher involves much more than gaining knowledge or being more skillful. The study of this subject will train you in the design process of an English language program and its evaluation. This involves identification of student needs, environmental factors, planning of courses, and the development, evaluation, and adaptation of materials. This subject, Curriculum Design and Evaluation, is taught in the second module as part of your master's program. It's worth 3 credits, which implies that 144 hours will be necessary to develop the competencies planned for it. The aim of this course is to provide in-service teachers with the tools to make effective teaching possible through the understanding of different aspects, such as the context for teaching, the needs for teaching and learners, the careful planning of courses and materials, as well as monitoring of teaching and learning. All these aspects are part of the process of curriculum development that give teachers the knowledge to improve quality of language teaching. In order to achieve the main goal of this course, the following competencies have been established. Students will be able to design needs analysis and situational analysis to understand the context of English language courses. Likewise, students will be able to plan goals, learning outcomes, and syllabus for language courses. Also, students will be able to establish conditions for quality teaching, skills knowledge, and the materials related to the specific expectations needed in a course of English as a foreign language. The study of this course involves interesting topics, which are grouped in 3 units. The first unit is called Understanding the Context. The demand for sound language programs reveal the necessity of having needs and situational analysis as the tools to collect information about learner needs and some particular variables that come into play in language learning environments. So the purpose of this unit is to learn how to gather information from different actors of the teaching learning process through the use of needs analysis and situation analysis instruments whose results will be relevant to the design, implementation, or improvement of successful language programs. The second unit, Curriculum Planning, covers 2 subtopics: planning goals and learning outcomes, and course planning and syllabus design, which are designed to bridge the gap between what the learners know when they enter the program and what they should know when they complete it. The third unit, Providing for Effective Teaching, is related to all the factors that contribute to the creation of contexts and work environments that can facilitate good teaching. Studying in the distance system is a difficult task, but with some effort, dedication, and some guidance, you will go through the whole process to finally accomplish the goals proposed for this course. I invite you to participate actively in the different activities proposed for it. This course is based on the active learning methodology, in which the student is the main actor of the process and the knowledge is acquired by doing, by practicing, and why not, by teaching what has been learned. For this purpose, in this course, we're going to have input activities and resources that will be analyzed and discussed to work collaboratively in the creation of instruments. The production of these instruments will be guided by the professor through video collaborations and will be constructed considering different factors that are part of the language curriculum. After these instruments are validated, they will be applied in educational institutions in our area. The results gathered from this inquiry will be analyzed to understand the context and the actors who intervene in the teaching learning process. These activities will give you detailed information about the context in order to make decisions to improve the course or an element of it. The activities in this course are scored as follows. In the teaching activities component, you will have 2 graded activities which are worth 3.5 points. In the practical experimental learning component, you will have 3 graded activities which are worth 3 points. In the autonomous learning component, you will have 2 online evaluations which are worth 1 point, and the on-site evaluation which is worth 2.5 points. This evaluation is made up of 2 sections, an objective and an essay section. I consider the study of this subject fascinating because you will reflect on your own experience and on how you can contribute for more effective planning and decision-making in English language programs, development, implementation, and review, perhaps in your own classroom, or even thinking big at a national level. Remember that as your professor, I will be guiding you in this interesting experience and provide many useful resources to help you be more effective in your studies. Welcome.